Welcome to Corpusia, the amazing medieval kingdom that lives inside you. One day, Sir Cuddalot storms in and, oops, he scrapes the castle wall. First, the platelet knights hurry to plug the hole. They stick together and sprinkle magic proteins to call for backup. Next, Sergeant Neutrophil and Captain Macrophage arrive as the cleanup crew, sweeping away germs and broken bits so the site is squeaky clean. Now it's time to rebuild. Bricklayer fibroblasts lay down collagen, and Captain Endothelia builds new blood vessel roads so supplies can reach the site. Meanwhile, the epithelial weavers stitch a brand new skin tapestry to cover the battlefield. Finally, Sir Collagenase sculpts away extra collagen, smoothing and strengthening the repair so it looks just right. Hooray! The scab falls off and Corpusia celebrates the festival of healing. Your body is whole again. Remember, big battles take longer. Older kingdoms heal slower, and a healthy diet keeps your repair rangers strong. That's the epic story of how your body heals. Next time you get a scrape, give a cheer for your repair rangers.